Okay, good morning, everyone. Probability, statistics part 2 will be chapter number 1, the important chapter from last 2 or 3 lectures. We have taken the practical examples, numerical examples based on probability. Today we take the textbook exercise example. Exercise 1.2. See, in our textbook, exercise 1.2 on page number 25, example number 5. A number is randomly selected from first 120 natural numbers. See, a number is selected from first 120 natural numbers. Means universal set, sample space, U equal to or capital S equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 120. Hence, number of the sample points in the sample space means elements 120 C1, selection 120 C1 equal to 120. It is known as total number of outcomes. Now, what are the required probabilities? A selected number is multiple of 3. See, A with the event that A with the event that multiple of 3. The selected number is multiple of 3. Now, what are the multiple of 3? 3, 6, 9, 12, etc. See, therefore A contain 3, 6, 9, 117, 120. Therefore, number of the elements in A m equal to 4040. Right? If you count these number 1, number 2, number 3 this way, means favorable outcomes in favor of A, number of the sample points in A, capital A, and m equal to 4040. Right? Therefore, probability of A is m by n, m is 4040, total outcomes 120, answer will be 4 upon 12 means 1 upon 3. Next event, not a multiple of 3, means complement of the event A is required. See, P of A dash, not a multiple of 3. You can write P of A dash means not a multiple of 3. Means P of A dash, P of A complement is required. P of A dash is given by 1 minus P of A, 1 minus this 1 upon 3, answer will be 2 by 3. 3 ones are 3, minus 1 means 2 by 3. Or this is answer number 1, this is answer number 2. Next event, third event, multiple of 4. Multiple of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 116, 120. Means number of the elements in B, favorable outcomes in B is 3030. And therefore, probability of B, m by n, 3030 by 120 means 1 upon 4. 1 by 4. And next, fourth event, not a multiple of 4. Means probability of B dash, probability of B complement, 1 minus probability of B, 1 minus 1 upon 4, 1 minus 1 upon 4 is 3 by 4. 1 minus 1 upon 4 is 3 by 4. Because probability of B is 1 by 4, if you subtract from 1, then it will be 3 by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next event, last event, multiple of both 3 and 4. Multiple of both the value 3 and 4. It means multiple of 3 as well as multiple of 4. There are numbers like 12, 24. 12 means 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12. Right? 24. 3 8s are 24. 8 3s are means 6 4s are 24. Multiple of 3 as well as multiple of 4. Means there are total 10 outcomes in favor of A and B both. 10 outcomes in favor of A and B both. Means probability of intersection B, multiple of 3 as well as multiple of 4. Probability of A intersection B, and means intersection. Probability of intersection B is m by n, 10 upon 120. Ultimately, the answer will be 1 upon 12. Call this as answer number 5. These are the examples based on permutation, combination, basic probability from our textbook from exercise 1.2 in statistics part 2. Right? On page number 26, 1.2 example number 13. On page number 26, 1.2 exercise, in which example number 1, 3, 13. Now, there are 4 couples. 4 couples means husband and wife. 1 couple means a husband and a wife. Means 4 couples. 4 plus 4, total number of the person, 8 persons. 2 persons are selected randomly from 4 couples. Means out of total 8 persons, any 2 persons are selected at random. You must see the textbook. These are only the solution. You must keep the textbook with you and then refer this example, refer this video. Total outcomes, number of outcomes in U means total number of outcomes. 8C2 means 8 into 7 upon 2 into 1, 28, because 2 4s are 8, 7 4s are 28. Total outcomes, total number of outcomes, 28 outcomes. There are 3 events. A husband and a wife is selected. Husband and wife is perfect couple. There are 4 couples. Out of 4 couple means pair. A husband and a wife. We have to select a husband and a wife, means 1 couple is to be selected from 4 given couples. A husband and wife are selected. Number of the element is having 4C1, 4Y4. There are 4 couples and husband and wife can be selected when couple is selected. Means 4C1 equal to 4. Required probability 4 upon 28, because total outcomes 28. 4 upon 28, 1 upon 7. 4 ones are 4 and 4 sevens are 28. Answer number 1. A man and a woman are selected. Means not specified whether they are husband and wife or not. Not specification is that. B. 1 man and 1 woman is selected. Number B. There are 4 men and 4 women. 4 male and 4 female. 1 male and 1 female is selected. Means 4C1 multiplied by 4C1, favorable outcomes 4 into 4, 16 outcomes. 16 number of the outcomes. Therefore, probability of B, n by n, 16 upon 28, 4 by 7. 4 4s are and 4 7s are. 4 by 7, number 2. And last event for this example, a man and a woman is selected, but they are not husband and wife. See, 1 man and 1 woman selected who are not husband and wife. Means here 4 by 7 is the probability. We are not required husband and wife. 1 by 7 means answer number 2 minus answer number 1. Answer number 2 minus answer number 1 become answer number 3. What is required in the third event? Question number 2 and question number 1, only simply subtraction. A man and a woman is selected, but they are not husband and wife. Here 1 by 7 is the probability of husband and wife. So we have to subtract this probability 1 from probability 2. Means 4 by 7 minus 1 by 7. 7 is the LCM. 4 minus 1 is 3 is the numerator. Therefore the required probability is 3 by 7. Answer number 3. Please, exercise number 1.2 in our textbook, and before that the illustration example given in our textbook are more important. So do each and every example twice, minimum 2 times, of illustration and of exercise 1.2 completely in our textbook. If you find any difficulty, see, there are some limitations in our lectures, because we take the lectures accordingly the time limitations, but exhaustive practice must be completed by you. Exhaustive practice. So we practice very well. Thank you everybody. Thank you very much. Sir, you got help now?